Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to learn CSS in 5 minutes. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a language used to describe the presentation of web pages. CSS can be used to control the appearance of text, images, and other elements on a web page. CSS is a very powerful tool that can be used to create beautiful and visually appealing web pages. So what are the basics of CSS? Here are a few things you need to know. Selectors. Selectors are used to select the HTML elements that you want to style. There are many different types of selectors, but some of the most common ones include the ID selector, the class selector, and the element selector. For example, if we want to style the body element in our HTML, we will use the element selector in our CSS file. But first, we need to link the CSS file to the HTML file. We do this by placing a link tag between the head tags with the name of our CSS file, as you can see here. Now, if we go to our CSS file, we use an element selector, in this case body, and between brackets we place the styles for this element. For example, if we want to set the background color, we write background color and we set the color to aqua. Then we will see how our page changes to this color. Since remember that body is a tag where all the content of our web page is placed. Now we can do the same thing but with a class selector. To do this, we need to add the word class to our body tag and the name we wanna give to that class. For example, class for body. We then place the same name in our CSS file, placing a dot at the beginning of the name. This is used for all class selectors. We then specify the background color as blue. We delete the element selector and we will see that we get the same result, changing the background color of the body, but now using a class selector. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. It really helps me out and it means a lot to me. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. Alright, back to the video. Now, let's see how we can change the background color of the body tag, but now with an ID selector. To do this, we need to add the word ID to our body tag and the name we wanna give to this ID. For example, ID for body. We then place the same name in our CSS file, placing a hash symbol at the beginning of the name. This is used for all ID selectors. We then set the background color to beige. We delete the class selector and we will see that we have changed the background color of the body, but now using an ID selector. Background color is just one of the properties that we can use, but there are many different properties available. Some of the most common ones include the font size property, the color property, and the border property. Let's say you want to style the H1 tag. Let's use an element selector. If we want to change the font size, we will have to use the font size property. And if we put a value of 50 pixels, for example, we will see how the text becomes larger. If we want to change the color of the text, we can use the color property. Let's say we want it to be purple. Then we will see how the color of the text changes to purple. If we want the H1 element to have a border, we can use the border property. We can set the border property to 1 pixel wide, solid and black. Then we will see how we get a visible border of the H1 tag. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a good one and see you in the next time.